Hey guys, so this is the other guy coming to you tonight. So listen, the fog is just rolling in, and so I figured I'd come out to this area that I usually like to come to and show you how foggy this thing is. Now, I've lived here since 1987. Back then, the fog was really thick. In fact, it was so thick you can almost cut it with a knife. So this is the fog that is famous to the Central Valley of California. Anybody who lives in the Central Valley of California during this time of year, they will experience this fog, right? And so because the fog is just starting to roll in, it's not that thick yet, but I can assure you it's really thick. You see that little light right there? That's a hangar. That's an airplane hangar. And so whatever you see, that's how thick it is. That's how dim it is. Now that's a street right there, okay, and you can see that it's really foggy. So what I'm gonna do is, if you've been following me, I installed my mirror lights, and I have a off-road light, which is the highlight, and off-road, well, let me rephrase this, which is a high off-road light and a low off-road light. Okay, so I have 3 special mirror lights. Okay, in addition to that, I have just installed my rock lights, which is underneath. Okay, so I want to show you how it is. Okay, how it looks like. So here is my driving light. That is my high beam. Okay, which, you know, as you can see, it just whitens up everything. It's no good for driving. Okay, basically, it's not. You shouldn't be driving with high beam in fog, because it highlights everything and it's just a white bowl of soup in front of you. You can't see the road. And you can see a little bit here. That's my low beam. My passenger side, I need to adjust that a little bit, well, a lot. So, but here it is. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on. Okay, I'm gonna turn on my excuse me, my highlight, my high off-road light. Look at that. You see that white bowl of soup? That's a no good, no nonsense thing. So, okay, I'm gonna turn my low high beam, low off-road light. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off my high beam off-road light. I'm gonna turn off my, there, you can see better, right? But that's my driving light in combination with the low beam off-road light. So you can actually see the ground and farther out, right? Let me turn it off. There. So you notice that here. You'll see tracks right there. Without it, you can barely see it. Okay. So that's that. I see car coming to check me out. The reason is because they think that since I'm here, there's traffic here, and so they keep coming over here and then end up making a U-turn out because it's so foggy they can't see the road. Okay, so here it is, my low beam off-road light. Okay, so you can see the track here better. So let's do this. I'm gonna turn on my my driver's side off-road light, I mean mirror light. There, so you could see out this way. See that? Okay, so this is 90 degrees. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on, watch this, I'm gonna turn on my passenger side off-road light. There. You see the fog rolling in? Okay, so that's the advantage of this setup. Okay, so as you can see, it's awesome. So come on, okay, so I'm gonna turn on my underside truck lights, and let's go out and take a look at it. Okay, so you notice that you could see everything, right? Even you see the street there, the white line. Okay, remember you couldn't see it earlier. Okay, in here as well. Okay, so let's go take a look at the truck. Okay, so wow. Okay, so here is how the truck looks like. Okay, it looks really cool. you can see the road now, and you can see everything. Looks awesome. Excuse me. So that's that, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are. I really like this light setup. And so so you notice that aside from this little spot right here, I can drive without any lights shining on my hood. Okay, so that's what I like about this setup. Okay, again, 180 degrees view. Okay, so let's do this again. Okay, so you notice you can see the street right here. So let's turn off the passenger side light. Can you see? You can barely see it. Okay, so let's turn off this side, the driver's side light. Nope. And that's all you see. Okay, so let's turn off the low beam off-road light. And that's all you see, guys. You don't see anything anymore. Uh-oh. Let me turn off my... See, here, you could still see my underside off-road rock lights. There. So that's all you can see, and the fog is still rolling in, guys. So let me know what your thoughts are, guys. This is my light upgrades that I've been doing.